This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying legality and compliance. Make sure online betting is allowed where you are and that your account details match your ID. Once done, pick a reputable VPN provider with AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy to protect privacy. Next, install the VPN app on the device you'll use and sign in. Also prepare your verified documents and payment method now, because you'll need them for account verification and withdrawals later. With the VPN installed, enable the kill switch and DNS/IP leak protection and test them before proceeding to avoid accidental exposure. Now sign into your verified Bet365 account. Make sure your personal details and payment method match your identity documents. Before selecting a VPN server, double-check that the jurisdiction you choose is allowed by the site and by law. If it isn't, stop. Make small, legitimate deposits first so you can confirm verification. Finish by completing Bet365 identity and payment verification. This often involves uploading ID and proof of address and can take time. Once verified, perform a small deposit and withdrawal to confirm everything routes correctly and your bank accepts the transaction. If something goes wrong, such as blocked deposits, account locks, or unexpected verification requests, pause usage, contact Bet365 support first, and consult your VPN provider's support. Keep screenshots and logs to help resolve disputes quickly and lawfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.